other new thing that nobody knows about.
So the sun is starting to go down, but I have a quick question for all of you. What are some rides that you avoid because the line is in the sun? So for example, Peter Pan is a sun line. Storybook is a sun line. What are some rides that you avoid because the lines are just too much in the sun?
The faster you turn it, the faster it spins.
Yeah,
Well, it seems
she got me on here somehow.
Have a most wonderful time. Ta-ta!
Ahora comienza el happy pie.
No, no spinning. We said no spinning. What are you doing? No, no. Is it over now? I think we survived.
All right, you Junior Space Rangers, listen up.
All right, here we go. Attempt number 2.
I got this. I can do this one. Yes, I can win. I can win. I know the secrets. It's just a matter of if I
don't know the secret.
If I can just beat her to it. Round 2 goes to me. Epic comeback. My gun really wasn't working at the start, but then I hit a blue lit up target toward the end, and it sealed the deal for me. But I only won by about 3,000, so it wasn't the butt whooping that she gave me earlier. So I don't know. I'm just happy I won. I never win at Buzz Lightyear. I did not cheat. She cheated. But like I said, I never win. I'm happy. Yeah, she's saying she let me win. She probably did. But anyways, it's always fun. I'll get her tomorrow when we play again. We'll have our rubber match. It's 1-to-1. We'll see how we go from there. So I think we're gonna start heading toward Galaxy's Edge. So like I said, we have Cantina at 8:10. We have a few more drinks we gotta try. A few more. Ashley was thinking about trying the food. I keep telling her no because it's a little funky, but I don't care. We had a blast on Buzz Lightyear. So are we heading to Galaxy's Edge? She don't know. She don't know. Look what we got. We got green milk. We got green milk. We got green milk. Well, Ashley's got it over there. But we got green milk. We like green a little bit better than blue. Blue is a little more bubblegummy. Green is a little more fruity pebbly. So we got green milk. And it's perfect timing because we are going to wait in line for our Cantina reservation. Fuzzy Tauntaun. It's supposed to make my face feel numb. Well, the flavor's really good. My tongue is tingling. It's a good drink. That's weird. So Ashley's already dug in, but this is Oga's Obsession, which is cotton candy flavored jello. My mouth is tingling. It has boba and a bunch of other little seasonings on it. And Ashley's going insane over this. She really, really likes this thing. Oh, she's gonna be, okay. That tastes really good. Guys, get Oga's Obsession. That tastes really, really yummy. We are all done with the Cantina. I will give you a quick rundown in a little bit because we are flying right now in line for Smugglers Run once again. It says 40 minutes. Let's see how long it actually takes. And hopefully we can either be pilot or gunner because we were engineers once already today.
Keep it moving, people. We're trying to do work here. Just keep moving. This is Malta. Go ahead. Malta? Oh, what's with all these people everywhere today?
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We'll we better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go, 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 go. You worry too much, R5. I would never send them any place dangerous. They might damage the ship. And them too. Yes, well, this is why I start my own company. To have ridiculous conversations with the talking trash bin.
Yes, we are writing this again. You're not seeing things, you're not re-skipping. We are writing this again. We single writer. And I'm an engineer, but it's cool. I actually don't mind engineer. So let's try not to crash this thing, shall we?
defeats the purpose of what we're doing.
So I promised a quick rundown of the Cantina. Mine was awesome. Ashley didn't like her Jedi mind trick, and I didn't really like it either. It was very grapefruit. Just grapefruit. Yeah, no. My Fuzzy Tauntaun definitely made my lips tingle, and it was pretty good. Ashley, again, didn't really like it. And what was my other one I got? Outer Rim. My Outer Rim, Ashley hates it, and I absolutely love it. Olga's Obsession was good, and Ashley's pork drink was really, really good. So overall, it was good, just like it was the other day. And then, like you guys saw, we rode. Oh, she's trying to find her phone. We rode Smugglers Run twice, back to back, because we rode single rider. So I think she's gonna take a picture of the fountain, or what's it called, a boomerang. So we're out of here. This is going to conclude today, and we're gonna slowly make it out through the crowd, out to the car. So we will see you all in the morning. Oh, no.